A board portal is a secure collaboration platform. It allows corporate secretaries, general counsels to distribute electronically their board and committee materials and other documents that directors may need to view or approve in between meetings. Three things you should consider when going paperless are security. You get board and committee books delivered to you. Oftentimes they get to you late, so they're sitting on your porch. You're not there, you've since gone to the airport. So by them being delivered electronically, that's actually more secure than people worrying about a board book sitting on a porch that you're not there to get the materials for like a week or two. The other thing to consider is ease of use. Is it easy to use? And iPads are very easy to use. Other tablets are very easy to use with the touch technology. The graphics make it a lot easier for you to read materials from a screen versus your traditional laptop screens. And then the books are heavy. So again, you're not wanting to lug them, check your luggage, that type of thing. And then lastly, there is being able to work online or offline. So because you are traveling, having the mobility of the iPad, being able to work without an internet connection or cellular network is very important and will be of a great benefit to you. Some obstacles that some boards face when moving to a paperless boardroom include who's going to be responsible for getting the devices. So you either have to poll the directors and see if they have their own device that they're happy with using, or you have to decide if you're going to actually gift them or allow the use of them during the director's directorship. The other thing is, do they know how to use those devices? So if they have their own personal devices, then you can assume that they obviously know how to use them. If not, if you have a group that does not, then you have to decide, is IT going to train them, or are they going to be responsible for getting training on their own? Then there's the accounts that are associated with these devices, so like an iTunes account. Again, corporately, are you going to handle that, or is that going to be left up to the director to be responsible for? A board can find success in implementing a board portal by setting a date for which they want to achieve this goal. So once you've made a decision and you're implementing the software, you're going to choose a meeting date, and that's going to be the meeting date that this is all going to happen. However, with that, you're going to take a twin-track approach, and you're going to deliver paper materials along with the electronic delivery for the first meeting. And the subsequent meeting, then that's going to be it. Paper is going to be cut off. Now, to piggyback from the twin-track date of the paper and the board electronic delivery, you're going to move backward from that date. You're going to ensure that your GC's office, your corporate secretary's office has received the requisite training to understand how to maintain the portal, but your directors, executives, or whoever's going to be using the portal also need to receive their training. That can be done in a multitude of ways. So they could be one-on-one training over the phone, it could be in-person training, a group session, or they can even be invited to give a training at that board meeting. But you're not going to linger. You're going to cut the paper off and forge ahead.